So, good evening. Abhay Pratap. So, yesterday we have discussed the basics of control system and the transfer function. What is the definition of transfer function of a system? It is like Laplace transform of output by Laplace transform of input with zero initial conditions. And to find out a transfer function of any system, there are different approaches. Like one of the approaches is called a block diagram approach. Other one is a signal flow graph. Okay. So under the block diagram approach, we have followed the block diagram reduction techniques to find out the transfer function, and in signal flow graphs we have followed the Mason's gain formula to find out transfer function in signal flow graph approach. Okay. So today we start the time response analysis. What is a time response analysis? First of all, to analyze the system, there are basic two approaches. One analysis approach. One is a time response. Other one is a frequency response. Fine. So, under time response analysis, suppose for example x of t equal to c of t equal to e power minus at into rt. It is there. Okay. So this function like this. This c of t is t0. So again, this time response having two stages. One is a transient response. Other one is steady state response. So what is transient response? So transient c of t equal to c transient response plus c steady state response. Okay. So what is c transient response? C t of t equal to limit t tends to infinity and c of t is equal to 0. This is called a transient response. And steady state response css of t equal to limit t tends to infinite when c of t is not equal to 0 under whatever the conditions of t, then this is called a steady state analysis. So another definition, transient response means as the output response varies as t is varied. That means as t varies, there is system response also varying. That response is called a transient response. As t varies, system also varying. That is called transient response. As system almost constant when t approaches infinity. This is called steady state approach. System almost maintain constant as t approaches infinity. That is called a steady state analysis, steady state response. Fine? Okay. Now, to find out a system response, now just you take